So, transition to HE. Um, this is going to be a process. It's not an overnight thing, and everyone working in HE does appreciate the scale of the task, the difficulty. Um, but here are some things to kind of keep in mind, and if you can do these, you'll be along the right lines. First thing is books. Um, a single textbook, even if it's a really, really good one, is not going to get you very far. It's a good start, you've got to have one, but you really want to be thinking about multiple sources of information. And the sooner you get into that habit, the better. So do go to the library, do read up on other, whether that's a virtual library or physical one, and read other things, read around. Um, you'll have reading lists, but don't stick to them. Read beyond that if you can. Um, and generally, it's a question now of being more independent. You won't have the same extent of time in the classroom as you had at school or college, but that doesn't mean you're not meant to be studying. So spend some time mapping out your week and give yourself some research time. When it comes to writing, um, you need to be analytical now. Um, Not so descriptive, and when you evaluate, evaluation skills, we're looking for a little bit more at undergraduate level. Really avoid the kind of trotting out one liners like it lacks ecological validity. It doesn't matter if you never use the word ecological validity. What matters is you understand what it means, and it matters whether it's appropriate for the context. So you're making the right criticism in the right place. Um, Another thing I think that will be different, really at undergraduate level, is the need to be up to date. If you find yourself writing about stuff from the 1950s, that's not necessarily wrong, but do read around and see what's happening now in that field. Um, there isn't a single area in psychology where the research stopped in the 1950s or even in the 2000s. Really see how up to date you can get.